Judy from Witchpeace Craft. Welcome to today's video. Just a little extra video along the way of the YouTube streets. So today I have some acquisitions for you, a bit of thrift shopping and whatever comes along at the end. So acquisitions, I did buy, much to my, I guess, really thoughtful whether I should or I shouldn't. I've never been a fan of Linkcraft, but since the shop shut down, I did have a look online at their sale, and I managed to get 2 bags of fiberfill cheaper, even with postage sent to me, than I could buy them from Spotlight. So I bought 2 kilos of fiberfill, which are over there. I also bought some doll and bear making beads. They were on stuffing pallets, they're called. I've never used those before. I may use those in a very near future project. They were a good price, and that was pretty much it. That was all I bought. I don't like their yarn. They had nothing I wanted. Now, as far as delivery goes, the postage was great. The order went in 3 weeks before it arrived. 2 weeks to dispatch it, a week for it to get here. I can't believe you can place an online order and it takes them 2 weeks to get it together to dispatch it. I was pretty disappointed in that. Luckily, I had enough fiberfill to get me through to finish the projects I had for my last market. But it was cheaper online with postage to bring it up than what they're selling at Spotlight, and that's why I bought 2 kilos. So that was my acquisition from Linkcraft. I did go into Spotlight to check out their sales they're having or had, and you know I sold 30, if you watched the last video, you know I sold 30 tea towels at the last market, and I always buy around the sale time because I can pick them up cheaper. And I did pick up some tea towels from Spotlight from my trip in there. Some Christmassy type ones. And they were all really good prices, so they probably, with a slight price increase next year, will be great for next year. Look at that, isn't that cute? So I bought 2, I don't know. I bought a heap of tea towels because I have more out there that I bought that I forgot about. I've probably restocked my entire tub ready for future markets. The other thing I bought at Spotlight, which I noticed on sale, and I've dropped one, sorry, I have to pick it up. Just wandering around, I didn't really buy any yarn. I don't really need any yarn. I want to try and reduce the yarn I have on hand because it takes up so much room. But what I did notice, they had pom-poms on sale, $1 each. Now when I make beanies, I rarely put pom-poms on there unless I make them myself, but these are the ones that have the detachable pom-pom thing. And I thought, well, maybe next year when I'm making beanies, especially this one, when you see what I picked up at a thrift shop, it'll look really good to have a couple with pom-poms. So how many did I buy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were some other ones, but I really went with neutral. That's the only coloured one because I thought that would be great when I do beanies. So that was my acquisition from Spotlight. This acquisition is a gift to myself. It's something I've always wanted. I've never really known how to use, and I tend to use other things. And I bought myself, and I had them made, some amigurumi sticks that are, of course, polar bears with orange. And I have used this one on a recent project. Look at those. Now they were made for me, and she got the polar bears in to do it when I asked her. Vicky Vass Design. Vicky took part in our Travelers our crochet roulette, and she would design, and that's where I kept seeing him were ones on Tracy's Travelers Crochet Roulette and the different ones she made. And I sent her an email saying polar bears, and my favourite colour was orange. And there you go. You got a polar bear sitting on rocks and snow. Aren't they great? I ordered for 2 sets in the same size because I thought that would be the best size. I've now decided when I want to spoil myself, or I might put a set on my Christmas wish list a bit smaller. But look, really great. She didn't have the polar bears. She ordered them, got them to me. Express post was just brilliant. Got here so quick. I can't believe that. And nice padded envelope. So thank you to Vicky at Vicky Vass Designs. She's on Etsy. I'll put a link to her shop in the description below. She does sell other things, crochet tools, crochet hooks, but definitely amigurumi sticks, because until now I was just using like double end DPNs, double pointed knitting needles, bamboo, and I was using those, and they move around. This stops them, and this is where, you know, you put it in, it helps protect it. But look at those, aren't they cute? Polar bears and orange beads. Well done, Vicky. I really like those. It made my day, and that was a gift to myself. So then on and off, like in my lunch hour, I'll go to different charity shops that are close to my office and do a bit of thrift shopping. See if there's anything there that I can use for my crafting hobby. And one day I went to one not far from my work, and I couldn't believe it. I found 2 balls, brand new, unused, mandala ombre. No smell. Now, normal retail is about $14, and if you're lucky, you might get it between about $9 on sale here. This one is cool fraud. I think it's, my glasses aren't that great. These are a bit old, these glasses. And this one is, can't see the color. She, look at that. And that's why I thought that pom-pom would look great with that. Maybe too much. Who knows? Brand new. How much? $2 each. That's all they charged. I actually gave them $5 because that's all I bought, and said don't worry about the change, because it was a charity shop or an op shop. St. Vinny's, brand new, 2 ombre, beautiful colours, good neutral colour, popular purple colour, absolute bargain. And then another day when I went up with, because thing was tired from the markets and I did food shopping, there's a charity shop there I like to go to. There's 2 very close to each other. One is Good Samaritans, one is St. Vinny's. I tend to buy more at the St. Vinny's. They have all sorts of yarn and stuff on sale that suits me. I haven't bought anything for a long time, but because I hadn't been up that way, and I don't like to send things because he's never really sure what he's getting. So I went in one day knowing that I had to make a lot of tea towels, and I needed cottons, and I like to try and match the cottons to the tea towels. And lo and behold, in the Good Samaritan one, where I rarely buy anything but always look, I found 3 brand new cottons. 2 of them are this Christmas yarn. I haven't seen any of that here this year, and it is so handy, and that is a great colour, and I knew in my head what that would be used for. These are normally $2.50 each to buy at my local shop, which sells cotton. Some, you know, it's called Silly Sollies, but it's like a nothing over $5 store. And I thought, I'm going to get those. Guess how much? $1 each. 3 balls of cotton, unwrapped, never been used, $1 each instead of $7.50. So that's a bargain, and I will use those on my tea towels. I like finding cottons that are wrapped and haven't been used and they don't look damaged. So yeah, great colors, especially the Christmas yarn, because I keep getting requests for Christmas tea towels. And to be honest, I'm well and truly over making Christmas tea towels. Anyway, guys, that's my acquisitions. I haven't been buying yarn. I haven't ordered yarn. I am trying to use up what I have on hand. My next market is in December, first weekend, second weekend, I can't remember. In December, and I have been making stuff and using up what I have on hand and trying to be creative so I can move some of the yarn along that I don't particularly want to stock again, that, you know, that's taking up room, and I'm thinking, come up with a way to use it, sell it on in a plushie or something, and then I can buy the yarn that I like. So what was your favorite item? Because for me, it definitely is my amigurumi sticks from Vicky Vass Design. Such great service, and look awesome. They just look so cute, and I really like them. And on my big project that I use them for, which happens to be for the Traveler's Wheel with Tracy, they worked really well. They really were. They arrived at the right time for that project. So you just have to wait and see what it is when I finally put it to air. Guys, thanks for stopping by. To all those new subscribers, I hope you enjoyed the content. I know my videos have been a bit spasmodic and email replies, and that's because last week internet was horrendous, even at work. My boss got frustrated. I don't know what's going on. I know when they did things here, they did them on the cheap, and now they're having to replace things and taking things off air or slowing things down. I virtually was ready to throw my laptop, my phone, my computer at work at the wall or out the window because the internet was so bad. So if you've been emailing me, sorry if I haven't got back to you. It's not that I'm not reading them and ignoring you. I am trying to reply to comments on videos, but it's just the way it is in far north Queensland. And today we have rain and storms, and the rain's just started, so the storms are on their way. Guys, until next time, stay safe, stay well, and consider visiting your local op shop, charity shop, whatever you want to call it. You never know what bargain you will find. Bye for now.